Maintaining an accurate configuration management database or CMDB is a constant challenge for IT teams, especially during moves, changes, and hardware refreshes. As environments evolve rapidly, relying on manual updates simply can't keep up. This often leads to a stagnant, outdated CMDB that fails to reflect the real-time state of your infrastructure. In this video, we'll explore proven strategies to ensure your CMDB and IT asset management systems stay synchronized, up-to-date, and reliable, no matter how dynamic your environment becomes. First step toward a living, accurate CMDB is automation. Automated discovery tools such as ServiceNow Discovery, SCCM, or JAMF can regularly scan your network for new, modified, or decommissioned assets. This continuous discovery ensures that every change, no matter how small, is captured and reflected in your records. By eliminating manual entry, you drastically reduce the risk of human error and keep your asset inventory fresh and reliable. Modern IT environments are increasingly hybrid, with assets spread across on-premises and cloud platforms. Integrating your CMDB with cloud provider APIs like AWS or Azure allows you to capture dynamic changes in real time. For example, when virtual machines start or stop, your CMDB is updated instantly. This integration ensures your records always reflect the current state, even as resources scale up or down. Automated triggers are essential for keeping your CMDB up to date. By setting up workflows that automatically update records when changes are detected, such as IP address changes or operating system upgrades, you ensure that your database is always current. These triggers work behind the scenes, so your team can focus on higher value tasks while the system handles routine updates. Robust change management process is critical for CMDB accuracy. By requiring mandatory change tickets for any device move, change, or replacement, you ensure that every modification is tracked and approved. Integrating your change management tool with the CMDB means that when a change is approved and implemented, the corresponding configuration items are updated automatically, closing the loop between planning and execution. Implementing a staged workflow in your change management process adds another layer of accuracy. Configuration items move through statuses like proposed, planned, and finally implemented. This approach ensures that only actual completed changes are reflected in your CMDB, preventing premature or inaccurate updates and maintaining data integrity. It's important not to treat your CMDB and IT asset management (ITAM) systems as separate silos. By linking ITAM records to CMDB configuration items, you ensure that asset retirements and updates are reflected across both systems. This synchronization prevents discrepancies, such as assets being retired in one system but remaining active in another, and supports a unified view of your IT landscape. To avoid duplicate records and confusion, use standardized identifiers like serial numbers, MAC addresses, or asset tags across both your CMDB and ITAM systems. These unique identifiers ensure that every asset is tracked consistently, making it easier to reconcile records and maintain data accuracy, especially during audits or large-scale changes. For any hardware refresh, it's essential to run a full discovery scan. This step ensures that the current state of your environment is accurately documented, providing a reliable baseline for the refresh process. By capturing all existing assets and configurations, you minimize the risk of missing or outdated records during the transition. When moving equipment, don't simply delete and recreate records. Instead, update the status to in transit or staging. This approach preserves the asset's history and ensures continuity in your records. It also makes it easier to track the movement of equipment and prevents gaps in your CMDB during transitions. Decommissioning equipment is more than just removing hardware. Automated workflows can flag related software licenses and downstream services, ensuring that nothing is left behind. This prevents orphan configuration items from lingering in your CMDB, which could otherwise lead to confusion or compliance issues down the line. Clear governance is key to maintaining an accurate CMDB. Assign specific roles such as system owners or service managers to be responsible for updating particular classes of configuration items. This accountability ensures that updates are made promptly and accurately, reducing the risk of overlooked changes. Regular, automated audits are essential for catching discrepancies between your CMDB and the actual environment. Schedule monthly audits for dynamic environments and quarterly for more static ones. These audits compare your records with reality, allowing you to quickly identify and correct any mismatches before they become bigger problems. Dashboards provide a real-time view of your CMDB's health. By monitoring key performance indicators, such as the percentage of stale configuration items or unauthorized changes, you can quickly spot issues and take corrective action. These visual tools make it easier for IT teams to stay proactive and maintain a living, accurate CMDB. By combining automation, integration, and strong governance, you can transform your CMDB from a stagnant, outdated database into a living system that reflects the real-time state of your IT infrastructure. These strategies not only improve accuracy and compliance, but also empower your IT team to respond quickly to changes and support business goals more effectively.